Welcome back to my yard. Okay, let's check and see what happened. It's been a couple of weeks. Here it is. It's the end of March, so everything is starting to grow. So let's see what's happened. First, we got our one big acorn in there, and check this out. Right here, there's the beginning of an oak tree right there. So let's see how well you can do. You know, at this point when the weather's getting warmer, you got to make sure you keep this thing moist, because if it gets dry, which could happen because it's kind of a small pot, this thing's just going to wither up. So we're going to keep that wet, and let's see what happens with that. Our number 2 acorn, I have a little concerns. It still could happen on here. None of the other plants like this are showing any signs of growth, but it kind of looks a little withered. So we just have to keep that moist and see what happens with that. But I still got high hopes. Let's see what happens with that one. Okay, now back to let's get our maple tree. Now this, we've got some progress on. You can take a look around here, and you kind of rotate it around, and got all kinds of leaves coming up. Man, it really makes me happy when something comes back after sitting outside in the winter. But look at that, it's making a comeback. Everything looks good in the pot. Branches are looking good. I think it's going to have a nice shape. Now when you cut these, I just wanted to say too, no matter what you do when you try to prune it, there are some trees, and a maple is one of them, it is just going to try to be round no matter what you do. So I cut some stuff off it. You know, we've seen some trimming on there, but when it comes back, you're going to see it's going to try to have its round shape and maintain that. So look at that. That is going to look nice here in a couple of weeks. So let's go get the big tree, the horse chestnut. Yeah, so check this out. This thing has had a lot of growth in the last couple of weeks. Just look at that. This is going to be another one of them trees. It's going to try to be round no matter what you do, but that looks very good. This is another one that kind of just makes me happy when it comes back to life after winter, because it's going to be really full this year. You know, every year is kind of changes. Might look a little bit different, but I think this one is really going to have a nice shape once it gets all leafed out. Okay, so that's what we got so far. I have some other plants that are kind of growing. I'll let you know if they get any progress, and then we can go ahead and show those on. I'll show you what it looked like. But there is one thing I wanted to show you on how you can start your own little tree that you don't have to use a seed to get there. Okay, so what we got here, since it's Easter time, I actually took one of the eggs, and what you can do, you cut that egg in the top, make a hole in there, and then you're going to have to put a slit in it. I got it taped over right here. Just pack this thing full of dirt, keep adding water every day, and then eventually what's going to happen is this is going to develop roots inside of here. I'll check it after about a month, and once we got some roots, we can put it in a pot, and you already got the start of a little tree, and you didn't have to wait for a seed, anything like that to sprout. It's ready to go once it happens. Okay, so that's what I got this week. That's the update on all my plants. I'm going to keep an eye on them. I'll post another video in about a week or so, maybe 2. But until then, I'll see you later, and let's see what happens.